Apple has just rolled out a major new update for the Apple Watch Series 11 and the Ultra 3, and this one is more than just small bug fixes. This update brings some of the biggest healthy and the usability improvements we have seen in a while, including sleep apnea notification, hypertension detection, a brand new Vitals app, smarter gesture controls, and better fitness tracking for serious athletes. So in this video, I will break down what's actually new, what features matters most, and how you can install the update step by step. So welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Let's get into it. Major health features. Apple is clearly pushing health tracking forward with this update. Sleep apnea notifications. One of the most important additions is sleep apnea notification. This Apple Watch can now detect signs of the breathing disturbance during sleep and notify users if something looks abnormal. This is the major upgrade for people who want deeper health awareness beyond basic sleep tracking. Hypertension detection. Series 11 also introduces hypertension detection, which can help identify signs of the chronically high blood pressure trends. This does not replace medical devices, but it gives users an early warnings system that could be extremely valuable over time. The new Vitals app. Apple has also added a brand new app called Vitals. This app brings together key overnight health metrics in one place, including heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, recovery trends. Instead of digging through multiple menus, users can now get a clear picture of how their body is doing each day. This makes the Apple Watch feels more personal and more useful for long-term wellness. Gesture controls. Another practical improvement is a new gesture control. With simple wrist movements, users can now dismiss alarms, silence alerts, or manage incoming calls without touching the screen. This is especially helpful during workouts when your hands are busy or when you just want quicker control. It's a small change, but it makes the watch feel much more modern. Fitness and training upgrades, especially for Ultra 3. For fitness users, Apple has added meaningful improvements here too. Cycling power and performance metrics. Ultra 3 now supports power metrics, connectivity, enabling more advanced cycling performance and tracking, include functional threshold power. Our FTP workouts can also show up more smoothly as live activities on the iPhone, which helps athletes stay connected to their training data in real time. This Ultra 3 closes to the Series Shorts watch category. Design and display improvement. Series 11 gets stronger. Apple also refined the Series 11 hardware experience. Leaks and upgrades suggest Series 11 features a thinner and lighter design, a display that is up to 2x more scratch resistance. So not only does it gain health upgrades, but it also becomes more durable for everyday wear. Safety features. Apple is also improving safety tools. One key addition is check-in, which allows users to automatically notify friends or family when they arrive safely at the destination. This is especially useful for people who walk, travel, hike, or commute alone. It's a simple feature, but it adds real-world peace of mind. Should you install this update? For most Apple Watch Series 11 and Ultra 3 users, yes. This update is absolutely worth installing. These health upgrades alone, especially sleep apnea alerts and the vital tracking, make it one of the most important Apple Watch updates in recent years. And the gesture controls, cycling, and the safety tools make the watch feel smarter in everyday life. How to install the update? Step by step. Installing the update is easy. Just follow these steps. Make sure your Apple Watch is on its charger. Connect your iPhone and watch to Wi-Fi. Open the Watch app on your phone. Go to General. Tap Software Updates. Download and install the latest WatchOS version. Keep the watch charging while it updates. Your phone should also be running on the latest iOS version for the update to appear properly. Final thoughts. This Apple Watch update is a big step forward. With sleep apnea notification, hypertension detection, the new Vitals app, gesture control, cycling power upgrades, and the safety features like check-in, Apple is making Series 11 and the Ultra 3 feel more advanced, more helpful, and more health-focused than ever. Let me know in the comments which new feature is the most useful for you. And if this video helped, like, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar, and I will see you in the next one.